Welcome to the discussion. Today we're diving into the clash between legalized pot and the Houston drug testing regime, where shifts in public perception meet workplace safety.
I'm excited to get into it. So, the poll shows a majority of Americans now favor legalizing marijuana, right?
Yep, exactly. Yeah, it's fascinating. According to a recent Gallup poll, 58% support treating marijuana like alcohol, imposing age limits, production rules, even consumption guidelines.
And there's this interesting twist from Texas too, where even with a conservative reputation, 58% are open to regulating and taxing it similarly to alcohol. Would you say that's a game changer?
It really throws a wrench in the works, especially for employers in drug testing. Even if states legalize it, remember, federal law still classifies marijuana as illegal for some sectors, like those under the Department of Transportation.
Right, that federal override, yeah. But here's something I'm wrestling with. With these polls suggesting growing support, shouldn't there be an adjustment in how we evaluate impairment in the workplace?
Well, that's the million-dollar question. Exactly. One idea is to set a specific limit of allowable THC, kind of like blood alcohol levels for drink driving. But then it's like, imagine trying to determine exactly when someone's impaired by pot, given that THC can linger in the body for days.
Right, and speaking of pot, did you notice the analysis on how modern strains pack more THC than those from the 1980s? It's like they're turning up the dial, which, yes, increases the risk of accidents and impaired performance at work.
Exactly. The research points out that with higher THC concentrations, adverse reactions are more likely, not just the typical slow reaction times, but also issues with memory and even reduced libido with heavy use.
Wow, that's significant. But don't you think some of these issues might be exaggerated? I mean, not everyone using it casually will necessarily face danger on the job.
I get that point, and it's a fair challenge. However, the studies from the National Institute on Drug Abuse also connect increased use to workplace problems like accidents, lateness, and even higher rates of workers' compensation claims.
That's hard to ignore. So essentially, even if public sentiment is shifting and pushing legalization, employers in Houston and beyond still need rigorous drug testing.
Exactly right.
Safety.
It's really about balancing evolving law with critical safety protocols. And while legalization might change the social and legal landscape, for industries under strict federal guidelines, a positive test could mean serious consequences.